First off, I got these Inca Gold in gold and rose quartz, and you can just rub these onto the edges of journal pages or basically onto anything. I'll be having a play with them and see how to use them properly. It says fast drying metal gloss paint. That's what it is. So I got those two. I got this gorgeous shimmery glass glitter. Oops, sorry, that way around. By Prima Finnabar. I got the Nouveau drops in copper penny. I'll show you how these work. Obviously that was me just starting the bottle off, but there we go. I've just done these now, and it creates a 3D enamel dot, so you could use them to look like the breads basically on your project. So they look really cool. I got some of those. I got these two stamps to add texture to my projects. One with butterflies by ManxyCatCrafts called Windsor, and this one which is an Elementals called Messy, and it's Prima Finnabar. I got this cog stencil here, and also this one here which has got a big butterfly on, some phrases on it and lots of textures to use, so you can mask off pieces and just use sections or use the whole thing. And it's really big, this one. And this one is by Stamperia, and this one is by Clear Scraps. I have a load of sequins here. Spider-Mum Scraps Spring Fever, Sticker Kitten Bee Garden, Dreamland Spider-Mum Scraps again, and Birthdays and Balloons Spider-Mum Scraps. I got a full pack of the satin crystals that come in the kit. And there's 48 of them, and they're by Prima, and it's Zelatile is the collection for these ones. I got some tags to alter. There's 20 tags here, and they're mixed media heavy stock, so you can pile lots and lots of different mediums on them. So they will help stretch my kit so I can get to use all my different things. And finally, I got the Distress Crayon in Antique Bronze. I'll give this a little go as well so you can see what it looks like. So I've just scribbled it on there and then added water so you get a bit of an idea of how it reacts. Oh, there we go, you can see the shine there. Sorry, my camera's a little dark at the moment because of time of year, etc. I think you get the idea anyway there. So that is everything I got. I hope to get started with this very soon, so I will be having videos showing how I'm using the different products. I will try and make something just using what is in the main kit, but then after that I'm going to be using it all. So stay tuned for that. I'm hoping to do some journaling. I'm planning on getting a journal and having a go at some arty things in there. I'll also try and do a scrapbook layout, something off the page, something on the canvas. I've got lots of ideas, probably a card as well. So do stay tuned, and if you aren't already subscribed, then please like and subscribe if you'd like to see what I'm going to do with this kit. So thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to check out the shop in the description below, and have a great evening everyone. Bye!